Welcome to our channel where we explore the most unusual and surprising facts about food. Today we are going to talk about fruits that taste just like pancake. Yes, you heard right. So without any further ado, let's get started. Pancakes are beloved breakfast food, loved by people all over the world. The fluffy, warm, and topping with maple syrup, butter, and fruits. But what if I told you that fruit that tastes just like pancake? The fruit is called jackfruit and it's one of the largest fruits in the world. Jackfruit is a native of South Asia. It is commonly found in countries like India, Bangladesh, and Thailand. Jackfruit is a strange looking fruit with a bumpy green exterior and large size. It can weigh anywhere from 10 to 100 pounds, and its flavor is often a bad combination of mango, banana, and pineapple. The real surprise about jackfruit is that it has a uniqueness that makes it taste like candy. When jackfruit is cooked, it tastes similar to pulled pork, and its sweet flavor become nutritive and remains in. Jackfruit can be eaten raw or cooked, but the best way is cooked. It can be used for varieties of dishes, from stir-fry curries, and even as a substitute for meat vegan recipes. Jackfruit is not only delicious but also nutritious. It's rich in fiber, potassium and calcium, vitamin C, and so on. So, it's a great addition to your healthy diet. Is that? In conclusion, jackfruit is a surprising fruit that tastes just like pancakes when cooked. It is a versatile and delicious fruit that's worth trying. If you haven't tried that, be encouraged to do so. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting facts.